I'm Sir Oliver, your online math tutor. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello nga pala sa ating mga bagong subscribers. So 1 week pa lang tayo dito sa YouTube at malapit na tayong maging 600 subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Panibagong araw, panibagong topic. Ito ang dividing rational expressions. So bago mong panoorin itong video na to, siguraduhin napanood mo muna yung mga past video na na-upload ko para hindi ka mahirapan. The learner performs operations on rational algebraic expressions. That will be our learning competency. At ito yung ating learning code. A. Recall division of rational number. B. Divide rational expressions. Now, you will divide rational expressions involving more factoring. The rules for dividing expressions are the same as the rules of dividing fractions. So let's have a review ng pagdi-divide ng fractions. Halimbawa, 3/10 divided by 9/16. So ano ang ating gagawin para makuha ang quotient ng fractions? Naalala pa ang reciprocal? Pag sinabi nating reciprocal, pagpapalitin natin yung numerators at denominators. Kailangan nating kuhanin ang reciprocal ng second fraction na 9/16, magiging 16/9 para mag-proceed tayo sa multiplication. Then after that, gagamit na tayo ng cancellation method para masimplify natin yung mga fraction. We can cancel 3 and 9, pareha siyang divisible by 3. So, pwede siyang masimplified as 1/3. So, 3 divides 3 is 1. 9 divides 3 is 3. We can also cancel 16 and 10. We can both divide it by 2. Therefore, 16 divides 2 is 8. 10 divides 2 is 5. Kapag wala na tayong makancel, we just multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 1 times 8 is 8, 5 times 3 is 15. Therefore, our answer is 8/15. Nakasunod ba? Magaling. Another example, 18/25 divided by 6. Again, we just get the reciprocal of whole number 6. Ano kaya ang reciprocal ng 6? 1/6. Naglagay lang tayo ng numerator na 1. So that will be the reciprocal of 6. And then we just cancel 18 and 6. Both divisible by 6. So 18 divides 6 is 3. 6 divides 6 is 1. Or we just get the greatest common factors. That's why we cancel it out. Okay? And then, wala na tayong masisimplify dito. We just multiply. The answer is 3/25. So, what are the steps we need to follow? 1. Get the reciprocal of the second rational expression, yung ginawa natin kanina. And then, follow the steps in multiplying RE. So, just factor the numerators and denominators of both rational expression completely if possible. And then, we just cancel the common factors then combine by multiplying. Let's have our first example. 12m to the 5th n squared over 5n divided by 24m to the 5th over 25n squared. So let's have the first step. We need to get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 24m to the 5th over 25n squared. So pagpapalitin lang natin yung numerator and denominator. So, magiging 25n squared over 24m to the 5th and then magiging multiplication na siya. Magpo-proceed na tayo sa steps ng multiplication. Magsimula tayo sa pagka-cancel ng mga constant terms. So, we can cancel 12 and 24. The greatest common factor is 12, so we can divide it by 12. So 12 divides 12 is 1. 24 divides 12 is 2. What else? We can cancel also 25 and 5. So 25 divides 5 is 5, and 5 divides 5 is 1. Next naman, nating ika-cancel yung mga variables. So m to the 5th and m to the 5th can be cancelled out. N squared and n. So magiging n na lang siya. And then, we just multiply. So, magiging 5. N times n squared is n cubed. Then, sa denominator niya ay 2m. Okay, that will be our answer. Nakuha? Okay, very good. Next example. X squared minus 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by 15x over 3x plus 3. Wherein ang ating numerator at denominator ay binomials na or trinomials. So, we just get the reciprocal of the second fraction. Babalik na rin lang natin siya. So, magiging 3x plus 3 over 15x. Then, after that, kailangan nating malaman kung anong factoring method ang gagamitin natin para makuha yung mga factors. So, we just factor the numerator and denominator completely. Let's start with x squared minus 1. Anong factoring method ang pwede nating gamitin sa x squared minus 1? So, by the way, yung mga example natin dito ay na-encounter nyo na from our previous lesson. So, that is factorable by difference of 2 squares. And then, our denominator can be factored out using the perfect square trinomial. How about the numerator of the second fraction, 3x plus 3? Anong factoring method ang pwedeng gamitin? CMF, correct. How about 15x? That is prime. Then, after that, we need to get all the factors. So, let's start with x squared minus 1. That is x plus 1, x minus 1. For our x squared plus 2x plus 1, yung denominator po nung first fraction magiging x plus 1 and x plus 1. 3x plus 3, that is, the GCF is 3. Then, the remaining factor is x plus 1. And then, we just copy the prime 15x. Na-factors na po nating lahat nung dapat i-factors. And then, last step would be cancel out the common factors. So, ano po ba yung mga common factors na meron tayo after nating na-factor yung mga polynomials? Again, pwede nyo i-review yung mga factors natin. Okay, na-review na po ba? Okay, so we can cancel x plus 1 and x plus 1. Another x plus 1 and x plus 1. We can cancel 3 and 15. That will become 1/5. Okay, that will be the lowest term of 3 over 15, 1/5. And then we just combine by multiplying the numerators and the denominators. So our answer is x minus 1 over 5x. Another example is 2y cubed plus 16 over y squared minus 2y plus 4 divided by 3y squared minus y minus 14 over 4y squared. It seems that our problem is more complex, but we can resolve that. So, we just get the reciprocal of the second fraction. Binaliktad po natin. So, naging 4y squared over 3y squared minus y minus 14. Again, magde-decide tayo kung anong factoring method ang applicable. So, yung sa numerator ay CMF. Sa 2y cubed plus 16, CMF ang pwede nating magamit. How about the denominator, yung trinomial? So, that is prime. So, wala siyang factors. Hindi natin makukuha yung middle term ng tama. 4y squared is also prime. Yung denominator natin ay GT. So, ngayon, ay pwede nyo munang i-post yung video kung medyo nabibilisan kayo at kuhanin muna yung mga factors. Ayan, nakuha na natin yung factors nung sa numerator. 2y cubed plus 16. The GCF is 2. Remaining factor is y cubed plus 8. And then yung sa denominator natin na GT. So, pwedeng trial and error or pwedeng yung systematic way na tinuro ko. So, ang factors ay y plus 2 and 3y minus 7. We just check the middle term, that is negative y. So, 2 times 3y is 6y, then y times negative 7 is negative 7y. So, pwede nyo pong i-check. So, negative y. Pero, there is still factor na factorable, yung y cube plus 8. So, by difference of 2 cubes. Kapag ganito ang case, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. So, therefore, kinuha natin yung factored form ng y cube plus 8, naging 2 times the quantity y plus 2, then times the quantity y squared minus 2y plus 4. Again, kinuha ulit natin yung factor nung remaining factor nung una, na y cube plus y. And then, we just cancel the common factor. So, y plus 2 and y plus 2, y squared minus 2y plus 4, and y squared minus 2y plus 4. And then, we just combine. 2 times 4y squared is 8y squared. Then, the denominator is 3y minus 7. So, alam ko na marami talagang estudyante ang nahihirapan sa topic na ito. So, it takes time talaga para ma-master. So, practice lang po tayo. Maraming masasearch sa internet na mga worksheet na pwede nyong masagutan, na merong mga solution. So, please, mag-practice po tayo na mag-practice na mag-solve ng mga ganitong problem, lalo na yung sa rational expression. So, for your activity, you need to divide the following. Number 1 is 5 over x squared minus 4. So, divided by 20 over x minus 2. So, that is number 1. Number 2 is x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 1 over x minus 2. Number 3, x squared minus 8x plus 7 over 2x minus 14 divided by x squared minus 1 over 4. So, ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Kumuha ka na ng pen at paper. I-post mo na yung video na to para masulat ang mga given at makapagsagot ka na. And then, sa dulo ng video ay i-reveal natin ang answer, but be honest. So, you may pause the video for a while to answer the activity. So, here's our answers. 1 over 4 times the quantity x plus 2 for number 1. Then for number 2 is 1. Then for number 3, you have 2 over x plus 1. So, thanks for watching the video. So, I hope that you'll learn something today. So, wag mo kalimutang i-share sa mga kakilala mo.